Hi children, hope you all are doing well. So today we will learn words with the sound EW. Okay children, let's start. So the sound of E is A, right children? And the sound of W is W, right? So when we have E and W together, we get the sound U. Okay? What sound you get? U. Okay? Let's practice some words with this sound. Okay? So, you, new. You, new. Okay, children? So when E and W are together, we are getting the sound U. Okay? Let's see. Cr, you, crew. Cr, you, crew. Blur, you, blue. Blur, you, blue. Stir, you, stew. Stir, you, stew. You, few. You, few. Cheer, you, chew. Cheer, you, chew. Brew, you, brew. Brew, you, brew. You, do. You, do. You, Jew. You, Jew. Okay, children, so you need to practice saying these words nicely 4 to 5 times. Okay, children, and your second homework is you need to write these words in your notebook 2 times. When you're writing, you need to say the sound of the words and write. Okay, you, new. Per, you, pew. Okay, children, so practice well. Okay, and send me the picture. Okay, children. Thank you. Take care. Bye.